What's up, online shoppers? I'm going on a vacation and I wanted to make packing and traveling easier. So I decided to invest in some compression packing cubes. Now I'm super excited about these for lots of reasons. First of all, they are dreamy. I just love the patterns on them. It just gives me all the vacation vibes and makes me actually excited to start packing and organizing everything. These compression bags are made by Tripped Traveler and I'm so excited to take a look at them. Now, one of the great things about them is every single one of them has a different graphic pattern on them. They come in a variety of sizes and they are a really lightweight ripstop nylon that is water resistant. Now, if this is a little bit too flashy for your taste, they also have some more conservative color choices and they have a variety of different sizes of these. So this one here is a 6-piece set and I'm going to show you all the different pieces. You can also get them in a 2-piece and a 3-piece, as well as a large variety of colors and patterns. Now, what I think these are going to do is allow me to really compress down all the things in my suitcase so that they fit better. Because if you put them into these containers, just like this, get them in here and then squish out all the air, I should be able to fit more in my suitcase. So that will be the test. Now, this travel bag is kind of cool because it actually has 2 zippers. One zipper opens it up and makes it wide and the other zipper is your access in. So here is your access in to the bag. Just like that, it opens up. And if all you needed it for was just something small like this, the zipper on the outside will keep it pretty thin. However, if you want access to a larger bag, all you have to do is undo this zipper all the way around and then it opens up the side for you so that you actually have more space in the bag, just like that. So what you do is unzip it, put all your stuff in here, zip this up like this, and then you can actually take this zipper like this and compress all the contents down to a flatter package so it's going to fit in your luggage easier. There's another container just like that that has the side zipper feature and then the top access, and of course the handle is really cool. And these handles are a really sturdy nylon weave, kind of almost reminds me of like seatbelt material, so it's really sturdy. This longer bag here is great for things like pants. The dimensions fit really well for pants, so you can slide them in and fold it up together, then clip it like this to keep it closed. You definitely have got lots of space in here for your pants, and you've got these 2 larger bags that also have that same really cool feature where you've got the zip access to get into the bag so that you can put all your stuff in here, but then you also have the access to the zipper that runs all the way along the outside like that and gives you extra depth in your bag and this great sturdy handle at the top. Now, of course, once you get it all packed, you can do the zipper up and it will help to compress this so that everything travels in a really nice, organized, thinner fashion. That is really cool. I have to tell you, I'm really excited to pack with these. I can't wait to see what it's like, but I have a feeling that I'm going to be obsessed with these, and I can certainly tell you that these are going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.